Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it is the last makeup look that I will be creating for this summer makeup series. And I was thinking to do a super soft smoky eye look, and I have the perfect palette for that, and I will be using this one by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Golden Goddess. It has some beautiful shades, perfect for the look that I want to create. Very soft and beautiful. So yeah, let's do some makeup. So with a fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics, I will take this shade from here and I will apply it all over my eyelid, and I will blend it towards my brow bone. And now on the outer corner of my eye, I will apply this brown color, and I'm using the same brush. And as you can see, I am going also into my crease and I am diffusing it here on my brow bone. And the gray color, this one, I will apply on the inner part of my eye. Now I'm gonna go and mix these two colors together, and I will apply them here on the lower lashes. Now with a clean brush, I will go back and take the first color that I've used, this one, and I'll go just right here and blend that brown color to make the edges a little bit softer. And with my finger, I'll apply this color. It's a beautiful shimmer one. And I'm going all over my eyelid. Now I will take a pencil brush and a black eyeliner, and I'm gonna take some of this pigment and go on my upper and lower lashes, and I will really smudge it. Okay, so now I'll just do the final touches, mascara, lipstick and all that, and I'll be right back. So this is final result. So far I have created 5 different makeup looks, this one included. I just love a soft smoky eye look. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week with more content. Bye!